Hi, my name is Felicia and I'm a dental hygienist at Dr. Joyce Dental Clinic. I graduated in 2004 in Sweden and I've been working in the UAE for the past 16 years. First, we'll probably ask you a couple of questions about your medical history and your dental history. Then we will have a look at your teeth and your gums and the tissues. And then we will go through the cleaning steps with you also before. We use a machine called EMS, which is a brand new technology, and it's less painful and it's more effective and less abrasive. Then we will also discuss with you when we want your next visit to be, whether it be in 3 months or 6 months, because the key to maintain your good oral health is to make regular visits to your dentist and your dental hygienist, but also obviously to follow the instructions we gave you regarding your oral hygiene, and always take care at home, which is actually the most important thing to maintain a good oral health. So I really hope to see you here for your cleaning at Dr. Joyce Dental Clinic, where it will be painless and comfortable for you, and you will leave feeling good and happy and clean.